Hey guys, hope you are doing very well today. Today is Sunday, 17th of October, and Bitcoin is consolidating above 60,000 US dollars. So this is a good sign for further continuation. The futures backed Bitcoin ETF will be trading next week. So lots of value packed news. So let's share my screen and please smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and push the bell notification all. And let's share my screen and go to our favorite bubble chart. And you see most of the altcoins are correcting a little bit, especially Flow and XLM, but few of them are pumping well, like Zcash, STX, Phantom doing great before the Phantom conference in Abu Dhabi next weekend. Or after that, Cello is doing great, 8% plus, and Harmony is also pumping. Let's check what other mid-cap altcoins are doing. LRC, WIN, RGT, OXT is up, and also Moonriver is pumping as the Polkadot ecosystem is starting to launch the parachains. RAR, XPR, Syscoin. Oh, Syscoin is up almost 80%. Good to see that. Actually, maybe you don't know, but Syscoin is a partner of CorionX, and we are working together on different things. Rook, GTC, PNC pad is up, so almost a nice movement on the altcoin market as well. Adapad is a Launchpad on Cardano is also doing well. Beam looking really good. So let's check what Bitcoin is doing. Bitcoin is down 0.6%. Ethereum is down 2%, but nothing special. Ethereum maybe will go back to 3,600 as it failed break 4,000 US dollar, but this is a normal consolidation what we are seeing. For now, let's check the crypto fear and greed index, our favorite indicator. It is at 79. So we are in the extreme greed, and also yesterday we were in the extreme greed, and before that, just few weeks, 2 weeks ago, the index was in the extreme low levels in the fear zone, and during we spent almost 3 months during the summer also in the extreme fear zone. So, and we know when investors are investors are worrying, they are fearful, that is a good buying opportunity. When investors are too greedy, that is due for a correction, but greediness can last for weeks and months. Let's go to our first news that the first Bitcoin futures ETF in the US is set to begin trading in the week ahead. The ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, which will give exposure to Bitcoin futures contracts, but not the spot market, will trade under the ticker BITO. The Securities and Exchange Commission had not formally approved the creation of Bitcoin futures ETF as of Friday afternoon, and the agency may never make a formal declaration of approval for it. So I don't understand, I don't get it. If there is no formal approval, that will be the trading starting. The proposed date for the listing is Monday, according to the new filing, but that doesn't necessarily mean that's when it will begin trading. That could come later in the week. So definitely also the SEC posted on their Twitter that about future Bitcoin ETFs, but guys, this is not backed with real Bitcoin. Real Bitcoin is not deposited in the custody. So this is a kind of future contracts behind that. So hope we will see also a spot Bitcoin ETF very, very soon. Bitcoin entering final stage of major bull trend, crypto analyst says. And Alessio Rastani, he's a really nice guy, just follow his channel as well. And he is using Elliott Wave's model, and according his model, that market price subdivided into 5 ways when they are going in the direction of one larger trend, and they subdivide into 3 waves where they are going against on larger trend. So smaller trends, and one big trend, and we have in one big trend 3 sub-trends. Okay, when there is an appetite for risk, both markets go up. But when there is low appetite, when there is little appetite for risk, they go down. Yeah, so this is definitely how it works. And okay, Rustin pointed out that Bitcoin would be negatively affected by a stock market correction, given that both stocks and BTC are risk-on assets. So there is a correlation still with the stock market. When the 5-wave move completes, then I'm expecting a bear market. So, and where are we now? Where are we now on the wave? So I understand this chart. Where are we now? Okay, and he has a 100,000 price target. Okay, our next piece of news: BTC price ICE all-time high, weekly close about $60,000 ahead of Bitcoin ETF turbulence. So this is a pretty good sign that Bitcoin will close, hopefully, the week about $60,000, and then I think this is a healthy consolidation that's going on, and then we are not far away. So if you see the weekly candle closing, that it's lining up here at 61,000 really nicely. Another BTC daily closed about the red area later today, and Bitcoin will have confirmed a break beyond its final major resistance on the weekly time frame. Red Capital commented. So let's check this chart, and you see they are talking about this red box, and if BTC will close about that 60,000 level, that's a good sign for further continuation. BTC market cap touched all-time high close in the last candle, and also you see this is the total market cap of Bitcoin. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Let's check. With BTC USD climbing as rumors of the long-awaited go-ahead hit late last week, concerns that episode will turn into a buy the rumor, sell the news event remain. This could provide for volatile trading conditions. So this Bitcoin ETF approval can cause this buy the rumor, sell the news event. Okay, let's go to our next news. Salvadorans are now selling way more US dollar to buy Bitcoin. So guys, Salvadorians are buying Bitcoin for US dollar. So President Bukele Chivo has recorded 24,000 remittance requests, which has added up to $3 million in one day. People are inserting way more USD to buy BTC than what they are withdrawing from the Chivo ATMs. People are inserting way more USD to buy Bitcoin, and today we received yes. So this is definitely good news that Bitcoin adoption is just starting to increase in El Salvador. This is definitely huge. Let's check my Twitter feed. What's happening on the Twitter? I think I shared a few nice posts here. Let's find them and see. Okay, so after futures Bitcoin ETF approvals, Grayscale files for a spot asset-backed ETF. New Grayscale Investments plans to file for spot Bitcoin ETF. So this is backed with real Bitcoin, and this news is definitely huge. And they will kick off a 75-day review period of the SEC to either approve or deny the spot ETF. So Grayscale just holds the most amount of Bitcoin, and investors are investing through Grayscale shares, and Grayscale wants to change its operation from a trust to a Bitcoin ETF, so this is definitely huge. Significant break on Bitcoin bi-weekly RSI. This is from TechDev, and let's see what is he throwing here. Diving further into the bi-weekly RSI channel, we see Bitcoin had a very significant break. Both times it bounced off the 1.2 0.72 Fibonacci extensions in them broke the RSI channel equivalent. This led to 900% pump in 2013 and 2017. 900% in 2021 gives us 370,000 US dollar. Unlikely, in my opinion, but a massive move is coming. So here you see these breaks when these RSI one just was break, then a huge rally started 80%, and also we see these breaks on this chart, and also we see now this break here, and the question is, it will give us 900,000 percent rally, or just maybe just part of it. But we are quite okay with all of them. One truly can fill in all the things we can buy with one BTC in 2021. So just look at here, one BTC in that year, one BTC and one BTC now, and one BTC, so you can buy the planet. Okay. Okay, same right, and the bear market floor will be 70,000. So according to this, we see that this was the first halving, the second halving, the third halving, and now we are here. And according to this chart, this is targeting 500,000. Okay, cool. So this is from TechDev, or yeah, so this is from TechDev. I will share this because I like this. Okay, guys, so let's go back. And this chart is about Lightning Network. So you see the number of Lightning Network channels and also the volume that's going on. So this is definitely huge Lightning Network capacity. So I think this will help Bitcoin to in the mainstream adoption. And this was the tweet from Nayib Bukele that we already have seen. So let's go and check some charts. Let's see what BTC is doing. Bitcoin is consolidating about 60,000 US dollar. Let's switch to 4 hourly. We have this nice bull flag. So actually it's a bullish pattern, but I have a gut feeling that before reaching a new all-time high, I think we will see a last wares dump, because they want to accumulate more Bitcoin on a cheaper levels. So I think that they will push the price down, but definitely you should watch this channel. Even if it's breaking up or down, you can prepare your trade accordingly. But this is a bullish pattern, so most of the time, 80% of the time, it's breaking up with a nice target of this measurement. But as I mentioned, I just I think that a last shakeout will come because whereas I want to buy a cheap Bitcoin. What about the BTC dominance? BTC dominance is sidewaving, but also corrected a little bit back. So now we are in this level. We'll see if we'll break up from here. That is why few altcoins are correcting now. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum is just consolidating, nothing special. And Ethereum is doing this kind of bull flags and also broke up from this last bull flag and now forming the same bull flag. And I think Ethereum maybe can revisit this 3,600. So this is my 3,600. This is a next support zone for Ethereum. So I think that Ethereum can come down and just doing something interesting here, but we'll see. Okay, I just want to show you Phantom. Phantom also started to break up now, but let's see if this Phantom pump will continue from here. Where is Phantom? Yes, here is Phantom. Yes, the Phantom is looking good. Broke up from this. Also, this is a bull flag, so that was a nice continuation and broke up from this bull flag. So I expect further price increase, especially the Phantom conference will starting end of this month in Abu Dhabi, and I think a lot of announcements will come. DOT is consolidating, also doing a small bull flex on the 4-hourly. So I would just see what's going on here, but definitely these price targets, these retest, I think it's a good buying opportunity. But nothing in these videos can be considered as a financial advice. Everything just for education and entertainment purposes only. I think WeChain also doing good. WeChain is showing a sign that it wants to break up, but not confirmed yet. And what else? Moonriver broke up nicely. So Moonriver broke this downward trending trend line and started to increase. And also let's check Shiba. Shiba is consolidating. And maybe this is another bull wedge that forming here. But broke down from the triangle and forming another. So getting lower and lower volume, and the price is stabilizing. So huge camp will come for Shiba. So guys, this is for today. Please smash the like, push the bell notification on, and also just come here and join CorionX Telegram channel. Check out our latest posts here, and also the Teslafan partnership, which will allow to CorionX users to invest in Launchpad projects on Teslafan's Launchpad. So this is definitely huge. You will be able to use your CorionX to invest in pre-allocations and nice project. So guys, keep your eyes on Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will show the direction on the market, and definitely follow our news and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your week. Bye bye.